Okay, you're all set to buy your first house, and your first question is always, how do I find a good agent? I don't think that is the right question to ask. So the question is not, do you need an agent? Because the answer is no. The question is, should you have an agent? And the answer to that is your favorite military answer, it depends. Because if you know what you're doing, and you know how to conduct the proper due diligence, and you know how to get the proper disclosures to make sure that there's nothing hidden, and you know how to do an inspection or have an inspection done that you can read properly, and you know how to negotiate an open escrow, have a good escrow agent, right? And handle all of the pieces. If you know how to do that, then absolutely. You can go find deals yourself, you can go take them down yourself, and you don't need an agent. If you don't, if you're a newbie, or if you don't know the answer or don't have a team, then you need to probably have an agent to help you out. But, and this is something else that I'm gonna say that probably is not gonna be very popular out on the interwebs, and that is, in my opinion, 90% of the real estate agents that are out there, I wouldn't work with because they waste my time. Because it's like any other profession. There's good ones, there's mediocre ones, and there's bad ones. If you have a mediocre or a bad agent, it's gonna waste your time, right? When you can find a really good one though, and what I mean by good is somebody that is responsive to you, somebody that knows how to get good deals, somebody that knows what they're doing and will fight for you, and I mean fight for you. Oh, that's like gold in your pocket. So what I would say to you is, if you're experienced and you have a crew and you know what you're doing, have at it. Go find deals, find off-market deals, you know, flip them, like buy homes, do whatever, right? If you're not, if you're like most people, probably 99% of the people that are gonna listen to this, find a really good agent that is responsive, that knows what they're doing, that knows how to find deals, and that knows what your needs are as a military person. Because remember, we're less than 1% of the population. So most real estate agents are not military, and almost none of them are focused on military. So if you find a really good agent that's focused on military, ride that horse, man, and go out there and start making offers. Okay. That's it for this video. The next video is gonna be about how to find good financing. And oh, that's fun, right? Because I've already talked a little bit about the VA loan, but it's crazy right now with COVID and all of the interest rate stuff that's happening. It is the craziest time that I've ever seen to be able to buy a house. And by crazy, I mean awesome. Okay, so that video is coming up next. Talk to you guys later.